going on, guys? Cody and Nora back for another video for SkullEnvy.com. Link down in the description to the blog posts and the recipe that we're going to be doing today, which is
bacon avocado egg salad today. And we will be using cilantro, lime, sour cream, a couple avocados, some bacon of course, eggs, pepper, chives, garlic powder, and paprika.
We are going to be peeling the eggs. Now we are all done peeling the eggs, and now we're going to cut the avocado. Avocado is my favorite. Bacon is my favorite.
Now we're going to cut the avocado, and then after that add the sour cream and mix it up. Avocados are a great source of fats and also a great source of protein. And we kind of want to get all the softer ingredients mixed together first and then put the rest of the ingredients in after. And we're just gonna add about 1/4 cup of sour cream. We actually use sour cream as a mayonnaise substitute in our family. We just really aren't a big mayonnaise fan, so sour cream is a great creamy substitute for egg salad. While she is mixing it up, I'm gonna add my different flavors. I'm gonna start with a little lime juice. Just keep mixing it. Little paprika. Some pepper, a little cilantro, some garlic salt, and a little freeze-dried chives. Here, you get closer. Pretty thick, so I don't mash it up too much. Also, you can add whatever flavors you want. These are just the ones I picked. I didn't follow a recipe, but I will include my recipe, so you can definitely try it out. Okay, that looks pretty good. And what's the last step?
Bacon!
So now we're just gonna cut it up in tiny little pieces. No wrong way to pull apart bacon, right? It all tastes good anyway. Gonna grab a spoon, mix it up a little. And it's really just that simple. We did meal prep the bacon and the eggs before, so we kind of had those left over, and we just put this together, and it works perfectly for lunches, dinners, anytime, breakfast even. Picnics, yeah, I guess. There you go.
Alright guys, so there you have it. A really simple and easy meal, snack, something to take with you, right? You love this, delicious? Is this your favorite? It's not your favorite? Come on. Anyway guys, maybe it's your favorite, but it's definitely her favorite and her favorite. So go ahead and try this. You can add all kinds of other ingredients into this. We like to keep things somewhat plain, especially when we're doing any kind of meal prep or prep in big batches. Cool thing about batches is like this is you can make it for a side in your meal prep containers. So anyway, other than that, that's gonna end this video. Anything you gotta say?
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.